Colors all around us, strings in hand we play, laughing with my friends.
Today's project is a Cobra mod that I call Patchwork Quilt.
Twisting loops together, making something new. Brighter woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing out our happy song.
Starting out with a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 15 inches long or 38.1 centimeters. And all paracord used in today's project is 4 millimeters thick. Now the colors we are using, we got orange and yellow melted together, purple and blue melted together, and the orange with a black red camo melted together. Each individual color, they're all 24 inches long or 60.96 centimeters. You also will need these or some facsimile of it. Tell you what, let's do it. Going through the side of the cow hitch. First I'm going to put the blue purple, center it, the orange with red black camo, and then the red yellow.
Twisting loops together, making something new. Brighter woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night.
Gonna start out the purple. It's gonna go under these. Then it's going to go around over the top of everything. Then we're taking the blue and it goes over everything. And then regular Cobra down underneath and up through the loop on the right side. Tighten. Complete the Cobra. Purple over the top, blue over the purple, underneath and up through the loop on the left side. Alright, now take the yellow from the right side, and no, excuse me, the red from red black comes underneath it, then over the core. The orange goes over everything, over the red black camo, underneath, and up through the loop on the right side. Tighten. Then complete the Cobra. Goes over, orange, over, under, up through the loop on the left side. Tighten. There we go. Now the yellow goes underneath, then over the core. The red over, under, and up through the loop on the left side. Now we complete it. Left over, red over, under, and up through the loop. Now that was the whole weave, and we'll do it again and again and again and again until done. Just follow along.
Colors all around us, strings in hand we play, laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new. Brighter woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song. Crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Patterns like a rainbow, knots that never fray, stringing up the good times, that's our everyday. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song. Crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Holding tight to memories, made with strings and laughter. Endless fun with colors bright, bracelets ever after. Colors all around us, strings in hand we play. Laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new. Brighter woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party